let's take a look at what we do with the calendar. Today's the 25th. These are the things we are going to do today. And then at the end is your attendance check-in and exit ticket. So people have been emailing me and also messaging me. If you go and do this attendance check-in exit ticket every day by 2, I will mark you as being present. Now that's not a grade, that's just I won't mark you absent for the day. Now if you have some kind of emergency, don't do either. When you've finished all the activities, made them up for that day, I can go back and change your attendance, but it needs to be done within a week. Or I can only change it. They used to not let us change attendance after 1 day, but now we can do it for a week. But you need to get it back to me for a week. Now you can take a look on the 24th. These were assignments for points and how they're redlined. They were due that day, but they are still open for 1 more week. So if you clicked on that, you could still go and do this assignment, and there's no penalty for doing it within 1 week of the due date. I just make the due date the day I assign it, that you're supposed to do it, so that it shows up on the calendar and you know that's what needs to get done that day. Are you guys good on where to find your attendance check-in and the new attendance policy? Give me a thumbs up if you're good, thumbs down if you're not, coffee cup if you're kind of unsure. Okay, and I'm gonna clear you. Give me a thumbs up if you think this is a reasonable way of doing it. Like someplace you go for everything. Yeah, okay, so you guys are all right with this, you think it's fair. I'm trying to be fair, but still keep track. And I still keep track of who comes to Zoom, I have to. You know, parents come in and, you know, they're like, why? And I'm like, well, they didn't come to Zoom, you know, that I have to keep track of that. If I didn't, I might get, you know, that would be bad for me, you know. So what we're doing today, let's make sure we got our agenda done. We got notification, mark as done. Oh, if you have the discussion for meters to nanometers and it won't click to done even though you did a entry, if I reply to you, just reply back to me. I did not know it would do this, and then it'll automatically be marked as done. If I said, okay, that's great with the decimal point, but what about the power? Just finish it up and reply, and then you'll be good to go. Calendar, where to find it. Slow internet, I told you how to slow down. Whenever I say close reading and assign you a reading with CK12, you will need to do that highlighting with the 3 colors. And you'll have to answer some questions. The one today, you will have to answer questions. Tomorrow, let's go tomorrow. We are not Zooming. I will send you out I have to be in meetings. I will send you out an announcement. You do have an assignment though, 2.24, and then plasma games. So the link for plasma games is still right here. If you did not sign up ever, we have not many people in this class. You need to go, and here's all the information. If you are locked out, you need to try the Burke 318. If you're still locked out, you need to message me. They had some problems with that. So what it would look like on the calendar, tomorrow, if you look here, all you have to do is go here, come to density close reading, click on it, it'll take you there. Your attendance check-in and exit ticket, very important on days we're not Zooming, that you record your attendance. And then go ahead and mark levels 1, 2, 3 and complete. I think most people here, let's see my plasma game. Most people being here that actually logged in have, and we have some people all the way up to 6, so have logged in. So that is what you need to do tomorrow. Today, You're just going to start with the base knowledge check. The access code's right on it. I realize it'll be easy to cheat, and that's fine if you want to do that. You can take it as many times as you want. But if you get a good grade on it, this acknowledges that you know this stuff and know how to use it. Because I will assume, and if you get questions wrong in unit 7, 8, 9 because you didn't know this stuff, then you're going to do the mass, matter, and volume close reading. It has 10 questions. One thing, I want to show you mass, matter, and volume close reading. You need to get 10 questions correct. It will show you your level. This is adaptive practice. If you get the easy ones right, it'll start giving you harder ones. And I get reports on this stuff. I can see everything you did, how long it took you for the reading, and the practice. It will tell you if you're proficient or mastery. Even if you get 10 questions right and get full points, you need to reach the mastery level. The question for honors tests, which are different than CP tests, will be based on mastery level. So if you want to do well on your test, just keep going until it's a little gauge, and it'll start you proficient, and then it'll keep going. Yeah, it's kind of cool. So if you need to do 20 to get mastery, you are in an honors class and are getting honors credit. Let me go back to the calendar. So that's the close reading. So after you do your check, you do your close reading, finding volume practice, just the pair deck, and at the end of today you'll get a takeaway for future studying if you want to, and then do your exit ticket. Give me a thumbs up if you understand what you need to do and can start working.